Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling. Just a quick intro here. I want to thank John at Amateur Scale Model Building for sending me a camera that I'm going to be using for my bench for lives and my own streams and stuff like that. And I want to show a picture of that right here. Thank you, John. I appreciate it. That's awesome. And it works great for it. Just want to say thanks. So we'll take a look at the Demon and stay close to the end of the video. I'm going to put out a 10% off discount code for Gaahleri airbrushes, and the link will be below, so go check that out, and be right back. Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling. Just a quick update on the Demon. Hellcat Demon, whatever. Got the engine getting put together. Still got a lot of wiring and stuff to do. I gotta get it so the headers fit better down in there. You can see it's at a slant, so I'm gotta do a little bit more tweaking, because I want to use, I wanted to keep it under the hood, but I think I might be able to use that scoop. Once I get that to sit down right, it might just have just that on it, but we'll see when I get working on it more. The chrome there on the fuel rail and on the front of the throttle body and geez, what's that called? Water neck thing is all the Green Stuff World chrome metal that I brushed on, which I have a video coming up of just brushing the Green Stuff World paints that I did a airbrush review on. So we're going to brush them too, and they look awesome. Yeah, the motor is from Texas 3D Scale Customs. Very, very cool. See if I can get this out without breaking something. But like I said, I mean, I still got a lot more to do. To it. I broke that thing off of the pulley and that side. So I got to refix those parts. Awesome engine. It should look so cool in there once it's sitting right and everything. There's the intake. I'm not sure how much more. Oh, that's Green Stuff World Chrome 2 there. Still got a lot more reference pictures, and Mike from Northwinds Customs, he's been helping me out with some of the stuff on him too, because I have no idea on this engine. So what I had to do is in the other video, I cut the drive shaft out, fixed that. I'm still working on, body work on that, but I cut the original subframe out, which is right here, and put in the one from the 71 Duster. I also wanted the separate A-arms and stuff. But what I'll probably do is cut this off here enough to make it so it'll fit in there still and have the fender wall still in there. So that's coming up next. I got to do. And let's see, I didn't really care for the seats that come in it, so I pulled these. I'm going to strip them, redo them, but these came out of the 70 CUDA. I think they look a little bit better, so I'll use those. And one other thing, the Cobra buddy build with me and Ed from One Team Garage. I went today to a friend's that has a real Cobra and took a bunch of pictures and all that kind of stuff. So he gave me the original paint for the Cobra, that blue. And I forgot to ask him what the code was, but that's the original paint color for the Cobra. He didn't have the Wimbledon white, or else he would have gave me that for the stripes, but I can use the decals for that. So, but it's cool. He gave me the original color paint, because he still had I think he had about a quart that they gave him or something. So I'll put a picture of his car up here. I think that's about it, guys. Gonna get back working on this here in a minute, and I'm not sure if I'm going with the Chem Block wheels yet or not. I'm kind of up in the air on the wheels and tires right now, but we'll see what happens. That's my plan to use them, but I'm not sure. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll be back. Okay, hey guys, I just was working on this earlier today after I already shot the other videos and didn't edit it, so I figured I'd wait. And I got the engine to sit hell of a lot better, so that's good. And got that all cut out, thinned it out around the edge too, so it looks like metal instead of plastic in there. I think I'm gonna leave it open. Might have to make that one come out a little bit more, but we'll see. I think it looks pretty good. Doesn't stick out too bad. I don't think I'm gonna put a scoop on it though. So, and got the rims painted, just Mr. Surfacer flat black. I think I might just leave them black. Gonna do the tires, the Tamiya rubber black, and see what they look like next to it, and decide if I'm gonna use a different rim or tire or whatever. I don't know yet, but I do like these, so I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so this is it, and thanks for watching, guys, and be back soon.